KH GT, baby. We're in Barcelona. Yeah, we're here, man. We're doing this for you. I'm doing this for you, everyone. You know, don't watch that. We're here. You know, you probably look different, innit? Got a little haircut, little trim, but you know, we keep things moving. You know, party never stops. Came off the airport, look, fresh, real time. No flipping cars at the moment. We're just out here, just little 2 days off, little bit of pleasure, a little bit of business. See what happens. I'm working on a few projects. Don't want to talk about it too much. Trying to finalize it and see what happens. Funny enough, it's car related, so yeah. See what happens. KH GT, Barcelona, baby, Plaza Catalonia. You know how we do it.